Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony Bravia x930e series TV and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now, the main reason you're going to be doing this is that you need to force it to go into its factory default reset because the television itself is frozen, it's not responding, it's not connecting, and it's just totally glitching, and you're just kind of at your wit's end. You can't reset it from the TV. You just need to force it into a reset. So we can force it into this reset. Now, just keeping in mind, when you do this, everything will be wiped off this TV, and it will be like it was when you just took it out of the box. So any apps you have on it, any configurations and settings you have on it will all be reset. But if you want to do that, we can go ahead and force it into this reset. All you need to do is unplug the television. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come in and you're going to press this volume down in the power button. You're going to press and hold them. And once you've held them for a couple seconds, then you can go ahead and plug the television back in while continuing to hold it. And you're just going to continue to hold this until you see on the screen will pop up that it is turning on like it was a brand new TV.